Rinse the viewfinder surface under running water. Use 3 gums to dry the surface and interior of the viewfinder head. If there is a watermark, use a medical cotton swab with a small amount of 95% alcohol solution. Stain cleaning on viewfinder lenses. At the mirror position, medical gauze of the same size as imported on the pad. Put the viewfinder head into a sterilization bag for encapsulation. Put the encapsulated viewfinder head into the sterilization cabinet. Select the program for packaged instruments. Sterilize to 134 degrees Celsius.